What's up, y'all? How's it going? Today it's gonna be a little Sunday vlog with us. We didn't film Saturday or Friday because we didn't really do much because of this weather. You know how it's been raining here in Cali. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just getting Nico's backpack ready. Make sure it's stocked up for him for the day. So I have his teta ready right here. And then the other one's in the microwave. We have his water. Some snacks right here just in case he gets a little hungry. Just gonna make sure he's stocked up with formula. Yeah, it looks good right there, so that's cool. Where the Pampers at? Well, I don't think he has any Pampers, so we gotta get some of those. What's up, Nico? Hey, vámonos. Vamos a la calle. Let's go. Vámonos. Uy. Hey. What's up, girl?
Hey guys, how are you? Good job, too. Come here, puppy.
I started the vlog for you already.
Oh, did you? Spur! I'm just kidding. Hey, beauty family, what's poppin'? What are you guys up to on this cloudy Sunday afternoon? The weather's so bad here in California right now. It's just raining. He loves this toy. He loves to dance, you guys. Hey! Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, clap, clap, clap. Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. There's no one there to catch you. The beauty family's gonna catch you.
Hey, what are you doing?
Excuse me, sir. You wanna vlog?
No, agárrala, agárrala.
Say hi, beauty family. Hey guys, we are on our way out. We just left the house. We were first gonna go to Sam's Club. We're gonna eat first. So I guess we're gonna go eat first to Olive Garden, and then we're gonna hit Sam's, and then Walmart. As you guys can see, it is very cloudy, rainy out. It's starting to sprinkle. It wasn't raining anymore, but it's kind of like on and off, huh?
Yeah.
So right now it started sprinkling again. Hey y'all, we just arrived at Olive Garden. There's Daddy and his baby. Raining. It's not raining. It's like sprinkling.
Yeah.
A little harder though. And there seems to be no wait line, so hopefully we're able to get in and eat.
It was easy to find parking. Usually it's kind of hard to find parking. And there's a line out here.
And there's no line.
But not today.
Let's go. Hey guys, we just got our appetizer. Omar has his soup.
Super Toscana.
Yeah, Super Toscana is the best. Nico's eating some bread. And then we have we have this salad for me. And then we're gonna switch off, right? Because I want some soup too. These look yummy, you guys.
Let me see.
Watch, I'll show you.
Huh.
Isn't they good?
They're good.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, so we received our food. Mine looks all nasty already because I mixed it up. Sorry. And then Genesis got her chicken Alfredo over here. And then baby got... Oh, he's gonna get some of ours. He's too little to be having his own food. So he's gonna get our leftovers. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna make him his own little plate right now. Alright guys, little update. This is Nico's plate right here. He's gonna get full today. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nico. Dude, chismoso. Excuse me, sir. Alright, that's it for me, guys. I am stuffed. Just a little secret, don't tell Olive Garden, but I went halfies with Genesis. She gave us half of her plate, so we will have to buy extra food, you know?
Same with the salad.
Same with the salad and the soup. We just went halfies.
Not halfies. Because it's unlimited soup and salad, so I got salad, you got soup, and then we switched after we're done.
Yeah.
You have to be smart with your money.
Because we ain't got a lot. The chicken Alfredo is so delicious. It's really good, guys. Really, really good. Along with the spaghetti. Everything was good, to be honest.
You never had the chicken Alfredo from here, huh?
I don't think so.
Yeah,
It was really good. There's the rest of her plate right there.
I'm ready for
Just being a little fussy.
ready for a nap.
You ready for a nap, huh? Ready? Hey! Stop throwing things around, man.
Yeah. No, puppy. So we just arrived. We just arrived to Sam's. It's 5:24. They close at 6, so we have.
Gotta hurry up, girl.
We gotta kind of hurry up. But we'll see you guys in there. Shut up. We're gonna get some takis, you guys, for a snack. Oh, we should get some Jumex too, because those are good.
I only have like 5 in here.
Well, that's good para la dieta. Porque no la rompas.
Yeah, there's like 2, like 4, it's like 7.
Well, it's just supposed to be a snack. It's not supposed to be a fill up.
You want them?
Yes!
This is why we're broke, because our money goes on food.
Very true, honestly.
That's a bad habit of ours. Not really fast food, just food in general. Cause we get like juices, we get stuff for us, stuff for Nico, we get.
But it's like stuff that we
food
need.
in general, food that we need and
Want?
want. You know?
Do we need anything from the aisle, the cookie aisle and stuff? Hot Cheetos. I've been wanting some hot Cheetos.
See what I mean? You see?
Shut up. Shut up.
I kind of want those nuts.
See, that's stuff that we don't need. Mats for your truck. You already have mats in your truck.
Since it's raining right now, cause I don't want my original mats to get like
okay.
all like húmedos and stuff. Yeah.
Stay. He's gonna go get his beef jerky. Watch. He always gets beef jerky. Watch, Omar's gonna be in the beef jerky aisle again. What are you doing, sir?
Beef jerky, but I'm taking a little break.
You can take a break?
Yeah, I'm taking a break from beef jerky. If I can come next time.
You really want it?
Like I really want. Yeah, I'm taking a little break today. From Olive Garden, the best part are the little bad boys right here. You know what they are? Some little mint chocolates.
Damn! Nico's like, what are you eating, Dad? I want some.
Alright guys, now we are at Walmart. We came to grab a couple things real quick. Like, this is something I've always wanted. Like a little safe to keep all of our important documents, like passports, social security, car titles and stuff like that. What I came here for mainly was to get a mouse pad like this. It's a simple one because the one we have now, it doesn't really read the magic mouse anymore for our computer. Now we are at the baby section. What Nico needs for some of his Dr. Brown's bottles are just the nipples. He's biting on them now and creating some large holes in the tip of the nipple. What are you doing?
Oh. You wanna get it?
If you want, yeah.
And you know, it's weird because they usually always just have chocolate. I don't know if people don't like the strawberry or what, but I really like the strawberry one.
Yeah, that's good.
We're about to leave, and then Omar spotted chocolate milk.
Look at all the hundreds. This one's. You getting that?
It reminds me like, it's good. It reminds me like of the school one. Hey guys, so we're home and I am making my next squeak.
So you were craving this, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna taste it, see if it's ready. Yeah, it's good. Hey guys, so I'm about to end the vlog here. Thank you guys for joining us this Sunday afternoon. I am currently just watching a little bit of YouTube. Made myself a lemonade. I'm about to open my bag of hot Cheetos. I'm gonna go to sleep at 11, so I have about 14 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it a night. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.